How do? Today the blind to the other side. Where have I got this from? Oh, Bits and Bats, I think it was called. The last one I get, if you remember, I didn't get the ends. Well, they are the ends. So it's last time I buy off eBay these. Right, I'm going to start this time. Oh, you joke. The springs come out and I don't know where from. Fixed. Yeah, the last one I got for that side there, the window, there were none of this. There were no end caps. Well, you can see it. It needs any on. It rattles like mad. It's like there's no bushing on it. And you didn't get any instructions, but with this one you do. NRF 35mm, the holes. You know these down bits here, these that go down. I'll get off here, right? You put the bottom one up first, which I'm going to show you, and then you put the side up. Obviously, measure the distance. It's quite awkward actually. Yeah, anyway, from the end of the top, you measure from the end down, and that's where you need a 6mm hole. That's where the highest point is. It's hard to explain really without showing you. Right, this is preference, isn't it? It's up to you. You can either have the blind coming up from the bottom and the net coming from the top, or you can have it the other way around. It's entirely up to you. Personally, I'd rather have the blind at the bottom, and then if you want for privacy, you can lift it up. You can't do it the other way around, you see. You don't want to bring your blind halfway down. Pointless, isn't it? It's a waste of time. So yeah, the blind from the bottom, you can have it halfway, the rest is blind, netting. So you can have your windows open and everything, and you've still got the privacy, if you will. Yet you've still got a bit of light. So this is it. So it goes on thus. Alright, it's a case now of finding out where the centre is ish. Right. That way. Oh, where's my tape measure? You seen it? Do you know I hate it when I can't find a thing? As you can see, I've got the bottom one up. Luckily, what you need to do, like I say, you need to put the other one up as well on the top, and then measure how long you're going to want it, you know what I mean. Yeah, measure how long you want to want it. Luckily I've got the other side to go off and they're exactly the same window. So right, I'm going to have to put the one on the top as well. I've measured off that side there, but I'll be honest with you, I don't cut it just in case it's wrong. So right, I did what I said I was going to do. I put this one up and then basically measured the length of these and just cut them to length. Put some, if you look down the side here, you know, when you shut the blind, that normally clips on there. There's a gap there, look, can you see it? You can or not? Well, not a gap, you know what I mean, there. So what I'm going to do, make a hole about this much higher, sorry, this much, and it should be okay then, but we'll see. Say I'm going to drill a couple of more holes. It's fucking stupid as this. As I say, I'm going to drill a couple more holes higher, but only about a centimetre, if that. Probably gone too bloody high. Alright. Perfect. There you have it. All done. Done and dusted. Lovely job of that. There you go. You like, innit? Whew. See what I mean about having a bit of privacy at the bottom? You know what I mean? We can just, you know, like that. You know what I mean? You can sit down, blah, blah, blah. Play with yourself, have a scratch of your bollocks. Do whatever you want. Cool, eh? Right, thanks for watching. Do us a favour and share. And just hit the like button, just hit the thumbs up. That'll help. Thanks a lot. Oh, don't forget to visit talbotoc.com. Got a new moderator, Hamnet. Sells decals for these vehicles as well, so yeah, I'll put a link at the bottom anyway.